The Fence Show 2024. Second time the show has ever been held. Lots of entertainment inside the show, lots of entertainment just around Vegas, and demo days. Be able to get outside and actually use some of the heavy equipment. Can't say enough about the organization. Brian and Susan and the rest of the team who got this together really did a great job. Glad to have been there with our brand new booth. It was exciting. You know, some people have asked about the booth design, how we came up with it. Worked with a great company in Utah, Justin. Blitz Sign and Displays. We brainstormed together the process. I gave them some ideas of what we were thinking about. The arches really represent fence armor because it has that arched look which goes around the post to guard it from obviously lawn equipment damage that we see. And he used those arches. We came up with some different ideas that would really portray the strength of our brand and our product, and we're just happy to have it there. And they did a great job putting this together for us, so we're really happy to have used them. We'll put something in the bottom that will give you some contact information for them. I know a lot of you asked about, where we got our booth. The booth was great. It was a lot of light. The team over at the Southgate was helpful in getting things staged and put together, so really well done. Compliments to everybody who helped. We also used AGR for our high strike. It was a call to action for every fencer that walked by. They wanted to hammer that thing down, get a prize. And I think just about everybody left with some kind of prize. So we were really good in that way. So we had a great show, lots of leads, and lots of opportunities. So if you're thinking about attending or exhibiting at a show, I would say consider the FWA Fence Show. And it's always great in Vegas. It's warm. Bringing the family there, having a nice place to get away from the cold is a brilliant move as well. Shout out to FWA for that. Well, thank you for watching. I hope that was insightful and interesting. Always feel free to contact me directly. I have no problem with that. Al@fencearmor.com or call our toll-free number 888-289-5617. Ask for me, and certainly we'll talk about anything that is related to the fence industry or something you may find poignant for the day.